How to fix black screen on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If your Android phone has a black screen but the device is still on or responding, then there are some fixes. The first thing you want to do is restart your phone. Press and hold on the power button for at least 10 to 15 seconds. If nothing happens, try holding power plus volume down together for 15 to 20 seconds. If successful, the phone should restart normally. Next thing you want to do is check for external damage. Inspect the screen for cracks or liquid damage. If your phone fell recently, the display may be disconnected inside. Next thing you want to do is plug in your charger and leave it for at least 30 minutes. If there is no charging indicator, try a different charger and cable. If your phone has a removable battery, take it out for 30 seconds, then put it back in and restart. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.